Hello, tech enthusiasts, gadget geeks, and dreamers who wake up every morning wondering, what if there was a phone that could outshine a professional DSLR, yet slip right into your pocket? Well, today's episode is tailor-made for you, because we're diving deep into a smartphone that has already sent shockwaves through the entire tech world, and it hasn't even been officially announced yet. Whether it's Reddit, X, or the chaotic comment sections of Instagram, there's only one name on everyone's lips, one topic that's setting the internet on fire. And let me make this crystal clear right from the start, this is not some minor, incremental upgrade. We're not talking about a few extra megapixels here, a slightly bigger battery there, or a tiny bump in processor clock speed. No, my friends, this is a revolution, this is a paradigm shift. This is the kind of engineering marvel that will make you pinch yourself and ask, is this a dream, or is this real? Because today, we're talking about the SONY XPERIA Pro 1 Ultimate smartphone. A phone so mind-blowing, so ridiculously over-engineered, that it'll leave you speechless, your jaw permanently dropped, wondering, can this actually exist? Is this even possible, or is this just our imagination running wild? So, without any further delay, let's embark on this cosmic journey of a device and explore every single detail, every feature, in all its glorious depth. Design section. Let's talk about that first impression, the design. You're probably thinking, it's Sony, so it'll be minimal, classic, business-like, right? But hold your horses, folks, because this time, Sony has completely flipped its design language on its head. This is a phone that screams at you from the very first glance, I am not an ordinary phone, I am a statement. On the front, you're greeted by a display that literally disappears at the edges, like a black hole pulling you into its infinite void. Bezels, what are those? Here, every corner, every edge is perfectly curved, creating an immersive screen experience so deep, you'll feel like you've been transported to another dimension. But the real magic happens when you flip it over and gaze at the back. Because that back, my friends, is the soul of this phone. It's split into two distinct sections, one part boasting a premium, silky smooth matte finish that feels like brushed cashmere under your fingers, and the other part, a massive, DSLR-style camera module so imposing, so undeniably serious, that a smile will instantly spread across your face, and trust me, that smile isn't going anywhere. This is a professional-grade lens system, the kind you'd typically see attached to a wildlife photographer's rig or a Hollywood film crew's cinema camera. Just imagine, when you walk out with this phone, people will do a double take. First at you, then at your phone, then back at you, and finally ask, dude, is that a camera or a phone? And you'll reply with effortless swagger, it's an Xperia, baby. Yes, it'll be a bit heavier than your average slab of glass and metal, but that's the weight of significance, the heft that tells you this isn't a plastic toy, this is a serious professional tool. In the frame, not plastic, not just aluminum, but aerospace-grade magnesium alloy, the same material used in high-end DSLR bodies. Lightweight, yet incredibly tough. Built to last, built to impress. Camera section. Now, let's get to the very heart of this device, its soul, its lifeblood, that 500 megapixel DSLR grade camera sensor that has single-handedly sent shockwaves through the entire photography industry. Let me get a little technical, but I promise I'll keep it engaging so every word lands. You've heard of 108 megapixels, you've heard of 200 megapixel, but 500 megapixels. And on a DSLR grade sensor. Folks, if this is real, Samsung and Apple's R&D teams probably fell off their chairs and are now frantically rethinking their entire roadmap. They're probably asking, what is Sony doing? Think about it, the pixel count is so insane that you could zoom into a photo and see your own reflection in the eyes of an ant. I'm not joking, this is that level of detail. When you zoom in, you'll be able to see what's inside a dewdrop sitting on a leaf. That's the level of insane detail we're talking about, capturing the unseen, revealing the hidden. In the sensor size, it's rumored to be 10 times larger than your typical smartphone sensor. Possibly a 4/3 inch sensor or even bigger. There's a golden rule in photography, the bigger the sensor, the more light it can capture. That means, in the darkest corners of the night, you'll be able to shoot crystal clear, sharp, and noise-free photos that look like they were taken in broad daylight. Noise. That'll become a relic of the past, a forgotten legend. Now, let's zoom into the zoom capabilities. We've got a solid 10x optical zoom, but the digital zoom? A staggering 200x. Imagine this, you're standing on a mountain peak, and in the distance, a bird is soaring. With standard phones, it's just a blurry dot. With the Xperia Pro 1 Ultimate, you'll see the individual feathers, the patterns on its wings, even the glint in its eye. And video. This beast can record 16K video. Yes, 8K is now officially old news. Shoot your own short films, documentaries, or just capture your family's precious memories in such stunning, lifelike detail that they'll remain vivid forever. And you might ask, where am I going to find a 16K monitor to watch this stuff? Well, my friend, if you can afford a 16K phone, you'll figure out the monitor situation. But remember, the phone that shoots 16K, that's the real unicorn. And let's talk software. We already have Cinema Pro and Photography Pro, but now there's a new, AI-upgraded version. With real-time AI-driven eye tracking autofocus, whether it's a human, an animal, a bird, or even a fish, the camera will lock onto the eye and keep it in perfect focus, no matter how much the subject moves. Display section. Now, the obvious question, with photos and 16K videos this phenomenal, what kind of screen do you need to truly appreciate them? The answer: a display that's not just a screen, but a window to another world, one that gives your eyes pure comfort and brings every pixel to life. We're talking about a massive 6.9-inch 4K HDR OLED display. And yes, we're sticking with 4K because when you're playing 16K video, you need something to give you a taste of that glory. Full HD is ancient history, 2K is old news, and we're in a 4K world, soon to be a 16K world. 1 billion colors, every shade, every tone, every hue you can imagine, rendered with absolute, jaw-dropping accuracy. Red is true red, blue is true blue, and green is true green. With HDR10 Plus and Dolby Vision support, every video you watch becomes a cinematic masterpiece, a visual treat for your eyes. 144Hz refresh rate, smooth doesn't even begin to describe it. Scrolling, gaming, or binging Instagram reels, everything feels as smooth as a hot knife through butter, an absolute delight. And 4500 nits of peak brightness, so even under the scorching sun, the content on your screen remains crystal clear. You won't have to squint to see your notifications. Plus, Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 3 protection, so if you drop it, it's not the screen that breaks, but your heart. Because let's be honest, if you crack a screen on a phone this expensive, it's going to hurt your wallet and your soul. Performance section. With such massive photos, such high-res videos, and such a stunning screen, you need a brain powerful enough to process it all. Yet cool enough not to break a sweat. Enter the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6. Built specifically for AI-driven tasks and next-level camera processing, this chipset is rumored to be crafted on a 2nm architecture. What does that mean? It's smaller, yet infinitely more powerful, consumes less battery, and does way more. The AI engine is so powerful that real-time image processing, object recognition, and scene detection happen in the blink of an eye. UFS 5.0 storage, data read and write speeds so ridiculously fast that copying a massive 4K video takes mere seconds. And with LPDDR6 RAM, multitasking becomes an absolute breeze. You can have 20 apps open simultaneously without a hint of lag. And for the hardcore gamers out there, a massive vapor chamber cooling system. Hours and hours of BGMI, Call of Duty Mobile, or Asphalt 9. The phone won't even get warm in your hands. This is a dream come true for heavy users. Battery and charging. All this power needs a powerhouse of a battery to keep it running without complaint. A monstrous 9500 mAh battery. With normal usage, you're looking at 2 full days of battery life. Even with heavy usage, video shooting, gaming, streaming, it'll easily last a full day without needing a top-up. And charging. 120-watt ultra-fast charging. 0 to 100% in just 20 minutes. You'll never have to hunt for a charger ever again. Plus, 50-watt wireless charging, just drop it on a pad and walk away. And 10-watt reverse wireless charging, so you can rescue your friend's dying phone or top up your earbuds on the go. Software. Now, one of Sony's greatest strengths is its clean, pure, and clutter-free software experience. Stock Android 17, no bloatware, no unnecessary apps. Just what you need, nothing more. But on top of that, you get Sony's professional-grade apps, Cinema Pro, Photography Pro, and Music Pro. For content creators, filmmakers, and photographers, these apps are game changers. And there's a new app, AI Studio, where you can use AI tools to edit photos, compose music, or create art. And let's not forget the stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos, a cinema-like audio experience that'll make you feel like you're in a movie theater. High-res audio certified, and yes, there's a 3.5mm headphone jack, because Sony knows that true audiophiles still crave that wired connection. Price and availability. Now, we come to the biggest question: with all of this, what's the price tag going to be? Honestly, my friends, as of now, this is still a concept. A dream, a vision. Sony hasn't made any official announcement yet, but whispers in the tech world suggest that Sony is secretly working on this behind closed doors. If and when this becomes a reality, it's not going to be cheap. With such advanced technology, DSLR-grade sensor, magnesium alloy body, 4K display, 9,500 mAh battery, industry experts predict a price tag of around $1,800 to $2,000. That might seem steep, but remember, this isn't just a phone. This is a phone plus a professional DSLR camera plus a professional video camera plus a gaming console, all rolled into one. If you were to buy a DSLR of this caliber separately, you'd be spending the same or even more. Two devices, one price, isn't that a deal? As for the launch date, we might see a prototype around late 2026 or early 2027. Nothing is confirmed yet, but as soon as there's an update, you'll be the first to know. So, my friends, now it's your turn. Would you spend $2,000 on a phone like this? And what would be the first photo you'd take with it? A portrait of your best friend? A family group photo? Or that breathtaking landscape you see every day but never quite capture? Let me know in the comments below. If this phone ever becomes a reality, I'll be the first in line on day one, and I hope to see you there too.